Hello, good morning, good morning. Bad morning. It's already rainy. Rainy morning in Caraca. Caraca. Tom, say good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, that's my brother. Woohoo!
Who is this? Your wife?
No, look, I'm live video.
Oh, oh.
Hey, Caraca is already repairing the jowl and some chispet in Caraca. Hey, is the job done? It's already repairing here. So yeah, other side is almost house is there. You see that?
You take the little tip truck down there. See what he's up to.
That's the costume in here now. Full bottle, you know, jacket, rain jacket. Almost full bottle. Look, woohoo, rain jacket. There's the truck. Bring it here. This I can repair yesterday. Look, this bed is already working. Clean. Shout out to all brothers watching me. Shout out. Yeah, have a work in there. Repair. Si boss.
Pati ba dito? Hawak ko.
Hindi naman. Pinasyalan tayo. Baka
Mga tao na to.
pinasyalan tayo. Mak-araw itong ano. Ay, totoo naman.
Kahit na hindi na nila sakop, pupunta pa sila dito. Nag-ubos ng oras.
I spent repair yesterday. Yun. Cut the pipe inside. Yes. All right. There's the boss, the supervisor, and then the boss, the worker. All right. Good morning and see you next video. Bye bye. Shout out to all of us and good morning.